Now we shall see explanation of the first passage, important passage. You should write in your notebook, the platforms were packed with people to official attitude and reports. I am going to explain this passage and you are expected to write in your notebook. We have known Hindi meanings of the lesson through YouTube videos. Now come to the reference. We have studied the manner of writing reference in class 11th. Yet I am going to tell you reference. These lines have been taken from the lesson A Girl with a Basket, written by William C. Douglas, a judge in the Supreme Court of America. Context. In the context we say about what the author is describing. Context of this passage is William C. Douglas visited India in 1950. He was going to the Himalayas from New Delhi. In these lines, he describes the scene of railway platforms and his aim of talking to Indian people. Now explanation. The writer says that he was going to Bareilly from New Delhi by train. I am going to explain the first line, the platform to hawkers. The writer says that he was going to Bareilly from New Delhi by train. The train stopped at all the stations. When the train stopped, he got down the train and walked on the platform. The platforms were full of people. There were people of different religions and jobs on the railway platforms. Sikhs, Muslims, Hindus, soldiers, merchants, priests, porters, beggars and hawkers. Almost everyone looked very poor. And was barefoot and wore dhoti kurta or loose white garment. I would ask at least 3 people before I could find one who spoke English. Since the writer was an American and he was unable to speak or understand Hindi, so he asked at least 3 people. Then he could find one who spoke English. They talked, they talked about world affairs, every major topic and news of that day. In this way, he was trying to know the feelings of Indian people about free India. In this way, he was trying to know the feelings of Indian people about free India. He was seeking their opinion, He was checking their opinion against official attitude and progress. So, you are expected to hear the explanation through this video again and again and write in your notebook as the first passage of the explanation. Okay.